What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm showing you a meme coin strategy that most people completely ignore. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars using this, and it has nothing to do with trading meme coins. It's actually all about deving, launching, and then dumping on everyone. If you want a real strategy that actually makes sense and that's actually profitable, I am breaking it all down step by step into this video. Every single person keeps trading meme coins, but I stopped trading and I started deving. That's why my Phantom wallet has over $8.2 million like this. Let me show you how it works. Now, most people in crypto lose money because they trade meme coins. They chase charts, they buy late, and they sell early. Okay, and that cycle repeats itself over and over again, just like this coin right here. Now, when you trade, you are always reacting, competing against bots, insiders, and people who got in before you. So trading nowadays, bro, is unprofitable, and that's why a lot of top traders are switching strategies. They are not trading anymore, but they are launching their projects themselves. Because when you launch, the game flips. You are not chasing hype, you are not hoping for the chart to pump, but you are creating it. You control the supply, the timing, and the narrative, and instead of buying and hoping for buyers, well, you launch and you wait for buyers to come to you, then you dump for profits. And here's the key difference. Trading guarantees losses over time, but if you launch meme coins, bro, you risk absolutely nothing. Creating coins cost literally $0. You are not forced into bad entries or panic sells. You are creating and then simply waiting for volume to kick in, and then you just cash out. And that is why it's so simple. Buyers lose and launchers win. That is why in today's video, bro, I would do a step-by-step tutorial on how to launch meme coins. Now, when most developers think about launching their first meme coin, the first ever thing that pops up in their head is, guess what? Pump.Fun. It's the most popular launchpad, so people assume it is the best to launch their meme coins. But that is a mistake most devs make. Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. Coins are launching every second and disappearing just as fast. If you are still deving on Pump.Fun, bro, you are honestly just wasting time. The real goal as a dev is to get your coin onto Radium, which means this is where liquidity and real traders are looking at. And on Pump.Fun, bro, that takes too many launches, too much time, and way too much luck. Most coins never even make it there. That is why you have to be using external launchpads. For example, create coins.io. This launchpad fixes all of that because honestly, bro, all your coins will be immediately migrated onto the Radium DEX immediately. So you are skipping the entire bonding curve progress, you are wasting no time, and you are getting shown in front of tens and thousands of people right on time, bro. This is why I love using this launchpad. Anyways, here's how to launch your meme coin. There's two different ways. The first way on this website is to create a coin from scratch. Now, your meme coin needs a narrative, so go on X and look for a narrative. It could be literally anything from a Trump tweet, a joke, a meme, something viral, some type of political news, anything. Look for something and take that narrative. Once you have it, come back to create coins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live and up and running. But the second method is actually my favorite one, and it's the one that I use every single hour, and that's the copy trending coins feature. Now, this is why I use it, because this list shows all the new coins that are trending on Pump.Fun and that are going viral. So copying them will give you instant buyers on your coin, and it will attract a bunch of trenchers on your coin, and that is how you bag a shit ton of money just from copying viral coins. Alright, let's move on and let's copy a coin right now, and you guys will see the whole step-by-step process from fucking launch to profits, okay? Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is obviously connected just like this. Then click on refresh list, and here you are going to have all the fresh coins. Now just choose one and copy it, right? I'm going to choose the test coin. It looks like a cute penguin, and it has it as by a couple seconds ago, so click on create coin. Oh, whoops. Obviously, bro, ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, then click on confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Just give it some time. Boom. And if I go in Soul Scan, you guys will see that it is live on the blockchain, on the Solana blockchain, so everything is legit. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. We're just adding liquidity here. Now this step is what allows your coin to be traded on Radium to the public, so people can buy and sell your coin immediately through your liquidity pool. Now there's two easy steps, right? Token A and token B. For token A, just tap on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens right under for the amount token B. This is basically your first entry into your own coin. You are not losing any Solana. It is just being locked up to open the liquidity pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and when you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes straight back to your wallet. So bro, like I said at the beginning of the video, we have nothing to lose because we are going to get this back. I'm going to put 0.32 SOL, 0.32 SOL, click on create pool, and then just wait for a phantom white to pop up right here, then click on confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below, and then scroll down, and boom, the test coin is on live, and your profits are going to be right here. And then if you click on the refresh button right here, now we're up $126 because random people organically are buying our coin on the migrate section. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, right? Let me go on. Oh, it's loading. Just give it some time for it to load. My Wi-Fi might be a bit slow. I am not sure. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin, then just give it some time. And now the coin is live. Okay, we're already up a couple $100. We are at a 1.3k market cap. Now give your coin some time for it to pump. Okay, just give it a couple minutes, and after a couple minutes it will most likely go up because the coin will be viewed to more and more people, and more people are going to start checking out the narrative and then deciding to buy in or not. So that is why I love deving coins on the Radium DEX directly, because boom, bro, it's pumping. We're getting a lot of transactions in, and this is what we like seeing. Oh my god, bro, it's just pumping and pumping, bro. Oh my god, this is why I love deving meme coins, and this is why I am making this video to put you guys on, bro. Come on, it cost us literally $0 to make this coin. Okay, 1.65k market cap. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. Alright guys, I am back, and it looks like we are at a 6.5k market cap after a couple minutes. It is really bullish, and now I'm worried that it's gonna go lower, so let's cash out our profits. Come back to createcoins.io, and obviously bro, make sure to click on the refresh button to officially check your profits right here. And now, as you guys can see, we're up $1.43,000 with a 6.8k market cap in around a couple minutes, which is not too shabby, right? Now click on the minus button, click on the 100% to remove all, remove liquidity, then just wait. And now, as you guys can see, bro, we're going to receive around 11.43 SOL, around there. It does fluctuate. Click on confirm. And boom! That is exactly how you dev meme coins and make some quick cob. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received 11.36 Solana, which is around $1,400. I am not capping, bro. This was all legit. Now, obviously, bro, even though it worked, it's all for educational purposes only. And yeah, bro, go try this out for yourself. Createcoins.io. And by the way, bro, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my Discord down below, bro, and my Telegram, and you will be entered. Okay, good luck.